I have my annoying Tita Intet. Named Tita Intet. He is very annoying.
Girl man siya.
He is very annoying because he messes with me every time.
Ikaw ang
Saan si Tita Intet?
Here is this annoying cousin.
Introduce mo yung ibang cousins mo.
I have a farm, but I like touching my farm animals. It's fine, but it's because of my annoying cousin named Tita Intet.
Yung siya cousin, tita mo siya.
She's my annoying tita.
Amen na yun.
Amen.
Abi nila kasi
I have an annoying cousin named Tita
Hindi
Intet.
lagi cousin, tita lagi siya.
Sa kajin.
Ang cousin mo yun doon, no?
Nandun lahat ang kajin mo. Uy, bulog. Sige na, talk about life. You talk about anything else. Sige. Talk about plans. Sige na.
I have annoying Tita Intet. He is very
She lagi.
annoying. She is very annoying.
Why?
He teases me every day.
And then?
And then kaboom. He tickles me.
She lagi.
She tickles me every day.
And then?
Not to stop.
And then?
And then I told my mom.
I
I
I told my mom to follow Tita Intet.
And then?
And then he's banned out of here in the house.
Now, let's talk about something else. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite episode?
Bluey.
Because
Because of the sculpted design that I found in Friday Night Pumpkin. And I also have an annoying Tita Intet.
Segway gid.
Bakit?
Who's the best chef? Palitan na gina ko sana. Palitan gina ko sa tong camera nga na microphone. Para all the time naman sa sa area.
Na mic head.
Why is nothing wearing
Ma-record.
It's to make her stop sucking her thumb.